Welcome. And so we are going to be talking about major deserts today. Okay. And so we need our school atlas and we need our ideas. And so the objectives are we want to recall that deserts are landforms, locate deserts on a map of the world, explain the term desert, compare cold and hot deserts, create a collage of pictures showing animals that are found in deserts. And so, a desert. What do you see? Let's look at the picture. What is it that you see? And so, a desert is any piece of land that receives less than 10 inches of precipitation per year. One fifth of the Earth's land area is made up of deserts. One fifth. That's pretty big. That's pretty huge. Hot and dry desert. Hot all year round. Rainfall is very sparse. Water evaporates quickly. Okay, and so Atacama is the driest. It receives an average of 1.5 of rainfall every year. Plants are mostly low shrubs and short woody trees. Animals are very small. Insects, reptiles, and birds are common. And so examples: the Sahara Desert, the Great Basin, and the Sonoran. They are found in North America, and Sahara is found in Africa. Cold deserts, long dry summers, and a small amount of rain fall in the winter. Annual rainfall as low as 2 to 4 centimeters. Plants include cacti. Animals are insects and jackrabbits during the day, kangaroo rats, skunks, rabbits. Insects are birds, reptiles such as lizards and snakes. And so I know if you guys are like me, I thought when I heard of a cold desert, I thought, oh my goodness, that means it's a freezing cold, it's snowing, it's freezing. So then how could the cold be a desert? Because aren't deserts supposed to be hot? But then after doing research, we found out that no, you actually have some cold deserts. Okay? We actually do have some cold deserts. And then we have coastal deserts. Cool winters and warm summers. They receive about 3 to 5 inches, and that's 8 to 13 centimeters of rainfall per year. Soil is high in salt and other nutrients. Plants include the saltbush and black sage. Mammals include coyotes and badgers. Birds are the great horned owl and golden eagle. Oh, and then of course we have the lizards and snakes. And then we have the polar desert. It's cold year round. Cold year round. Receives about 6 to 10 inches of rainfall each year. Plants height can reach 4 feet in some areas. The main plants include deciduous. Leaves shed seasonally. Some have spiny leaves. You have fungi and dwarf shrubs, and they are pretty common. And examples are the Arctic pole desert, 5.4 million squares, and the Antarctic desert, 5.5 million square miles. Antarctica is basically a desert. It is a cold desert. It's cold year round on Antarctica. It's very hard to live there. And so now we're looking at deserts of the world. And so I want you guys to say these. I want you guys to call out the various deserts that you see. Call any of them out. Write them down in your book. And if we look at the key, you will see the distribution of non-polar arid land, okay? And so we'll see that the dark orangey color, that's the extremely arid. And then we have the arid, and then we have the semi-arid. And so, guys, on the following, on what continents are the following deserts located? And so right after this, we're going to wrap up, okay? So I just want to give you a brief summary of what you would have missed. The Sonoran Desert, that's North America. The Atacama, that's South. The Sahara Desert, that's Africa. The Kalahari Desert, that's Africa. The Gobi Desert, that's Asia. The Australian Desert, That's Australia. And then we have the Great Basin Desert. That is North America. And so, guys, we just talked briefly about what is a desert, and we looked at the different types of deserts, and we saw deserts on the map of the world. And so that is in a nutshell of what you missed. But of course, I don't want to keep the videos too long, but I just want you guys to be able to see what you missed so that you're able to catch up. But tune in next time for more. And also, once again, let me know how I can improve these videos, how I can make them better for you guys. All the best. Hope to see you in class.